Have you ever wondered when you're actually supposed to lower the feed dogs or when they're supposed to be engaged? On the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720, it's actually all integrated into the stitches you would actually need to lower them for or have them lowered for a technique. So for example, if you are sewing buttons on, like we did with the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos quilt here, it's our online course where we teach you all sorts of great techniques, all done on the sewing machine, decorative stitches. We used it for sewing the buttons on. So when we go to the menu where we would actually be sewing the buttons on, when I push the buttons sew on stitch, you heard a little click. That click was those feed dogs going down. That would actually be all you need to know. Also, when I go back to a straight stitch, they'll pop back up. When you do free motion, this little indicator here is our free motion function. So when I click that and pick the right foot for what I'm doing, once again, feed dogs will lower when you're in this mode. It's just so much easier than knowing, should I or shouldn't I? The machine has everything set for the stitches that they need to be lowered on, they automatically lower. Isn't that great? That's why this machine has so much to offer. And if you want to learn more about your Pfaff sewing machine, check out the links below this YouTube video and check out the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course.